Hello, Madam Asi, Sima Baha, wa African Professor One Unfiltered. Some more muti dinner have men son bibia, so mean filter bibia, me we are some we are the danam they are two. Because me so what can some no cranny cross or chicken with your hand that sanity, Baha no cre, and now you need the atom, but no cranny at the better to be a sanity. And Tiboma Dra subscribe, share, hit notification bell, anytime be a new video be by nature on Saki. Into one more time, most in African Professor Nekasan. Most by African Professional platform, African Professional Unfiltered. And to like it, I movie conversation together because I have a lot to say here. And to buy you won't be disappointed because it's very, very informative. And to then come on, person in the matidin. Me say, if you are Ashanti hater, if you are Ashanti hater, America for say hater, you're a hater, you hate Ashantis, you don't like them, you hate them in your gut, in your heart. Maybe you cry when you if you hate them, then why do you live and make money in Ashanti, man? I will not. I will never trash America because I live in America. I wasn't born here, but I live here. I make all my money here. Bibia, my money, I had no free. Men trash American that no matter what. And to me, take the baby as I say. Ashanti mem de bia o ma me no papa bi o mo free ho e bi kura skura o ma me no papa nyina ho na e wo mo nso bia mfa se bia me mfa madamfo me amadamfo abro the big mouth abro de bia o ka on fa say the parents and say one of his parents and asked if ramram but you won bogoso so enti was say only angrani a ya wa naturalize Ashanti you can tell say abro the big mouth no we proud of Ashanti. So na the sentino even though send mommy and send papa be in that but once I want Ashanti memo oh yeah Santini and no he's proud of that and that's one thing I like about him. The way me tie said you can said you see what was Ashanti memo ni ade ade no I like why I'm running ne one waka but we embrace na Ashantinity the first year one sentiment where Santini but yon kofo bebre o ha ebi o ma me no papa mfra sentiment be ye wo ma sant and so mu dwa santi to the core and so mu tia sentiment e ho no make iska e ho no mu eye adwuma eye bibie bi kra o ma sidan o ma japade nyina ho na wo what the crap is that until na nem koma me nim de me say if you are Ashanti hater or Ashanti hater why do you live and make money in Ashanti man? I will not trash America. So what the person me say me am ni pa mu sa no abroad the big mouth ono was you won bogo so enso so no your friend Peter Ekwe what can asem mukon na yi show beka Peter Ekwe but we embrace Ashanti because when you see won Ashanti man enti ye dey ni fuma Ashanti na ye nto baby e wo ho na ofre to Ashanti ni onkofo bebre o ho a sa pepe yonkofo bebre bi o da gomani we houseni we honkofo angrani we ho amfantini we bruni we ho enso ni bia wo na Ashanti mem enso dwa Ashanti fo ti say enso wo ti Ashanti me bia wo ma me no papa nyina wo no mo ti ono wo identity why do you do that why what the crap is that me mfa me ho nya example me ba America ha na fe me wi from young number ha so I had a study college I had a bachelor's degree I had a master's degree me PhD. Now the point I'm making is say American can be crying can make university crying could be so could be because Ghana they said that time no early 90s you say answer ubinya loan and I said net loan system ni was ubinya loan they could invest in near that day and think anima bebre so and the honors university by 3 per that time 3 per and you know and in the past so students now or apply for university bebre they are whom you know lie so the make sure and so no me opportunity at me ba Americano education system is so easy university system just say admission money ade no so ni ska and once ko loan ko apply loan ko for bebre timi gilo cry into ko loan the school but my year from bachelor's degree level to PhD we are na kakra wanya kura minimum bi kura bosom kura bia otua be $5 a month but for senior citizen so into America and be in bibia America and me be talk car first America and me to fie you see America and me wo me mam you know mam boys me no many American ni ba na wo no a war and Korano. And you know, America, I get the whole everything about America. Until me glorify America. No biti one on tia just say and America break here dinner. Ukruma no kruma on searching your that. Say a bullshit argument. And then when I tough from me then say America could be a academy to be a me coming. And America me for Africa abaha with all this accent. Mitimi gina broni fita Ghana for mo tiwa musro mo na e kire mo brofo no ne ade ade mi gina o mani yakopon hatesu mi gina o mani mu kire o ma de grade o mo papers America na mam sa chance no na mako gina be na mi di America for atem na me tene me perfect Ghana mi firi o mi kuma mi firi o mo ye papa wana Ghana nka ye papa ke ye betutu kwa betena brochire ko bi ko Italy uko Germany ebi ma wo no mo ma na obi wo si Ghana de o metena ho da yonko for despa nkofo nsemo kasa brochire de mi si minima brochire for Germany London hini Canada no de yonko for bi o so omo ma ha da mi uni ma me bi wa ha wo sifie kura ma nkofo wo Ghana. And so I retired to America. Was on Metra Ghana. They were I see Niku and you see no. Also you were in America. So we sit down Ghana also Metra or bar holiday no call. Obiane na iyo the TV asi. Na dwene in the world or the world asi. And it is a me from our perspective no. The America ya mama no. Me kasa America have a perfect because baby I mean free Ghana me friend. Woman ya perfect. Woman ya papa say papa kanyeni. Obiane wo papa enso nkofo bi nya nkofo bi traba ye be dio mate na we say mo wo kan wotene wa betra santimem e ho no anya sika ye obi bia wo sori ana mo dio mo hina tan na santi hina nya bibia no ne atanti na so musi ho obi wo kra se wonti obi mti ho no nyini okọ school ye bibia ana obi a watu ho akwa kra na se ba bi ana otwa ne ho wonya social media nti na odi asantifo atam na odi your friend say asante hatem me was so ho and I'll be you sika nyina na wi ase so tunu your kwata wo ye den me see the whole Ghana 2 major cities largest cities ay Kumasi ni Accra that's for sure sanity Kumasi ni Accra the reason I'm Accra is because it's a capital but Kumasi a damn bebre o nyina is owned by the private people private individuals so eti omo bo mo modern oba obia yenyina yenyim oba nraga ho akotiala sabu zongo your friend say bet say bebia uko alaba ho ukonfantinu town anraga Mozizongo ababo number 1 ababo number 2 bebia ebi ho enipa bia trouble people bi ho yenyi menya hwe ukwa asante ne manhia seed of manhia palace ano ho a ezongo no ne ayi nyina ho na wo eso so kofo nya asantefo na ne asantefo hwe Kumasi fin na wa major city wodi Accra Kumasi e compare kura bi ase Bofredu si Kumasi we say a lot of people baby akọ city bi nipa dọọso no te bia normally if it me ba ho because nipa no dọọso enso nkofo mo betra Kumasi enye sika ya ma wo ebi e wo Kumasi mo ma me bia ma me free stream na so free baby ofri bia fa enso so no munya asantefo na asante afo ese asa e ho so na make money and I make us me America and amaye nipa nti me nyina baby mu America ni ti ada it doesn't matter what anybody say and America ti say na America kra nya hwe America nya hwe anka munya chance ba kakra bia na mokom kroma na mokodwama num me call vacation America me call Miami me call LA me call New York no nya that enso mo kofia na modwama because Ghana for yen kind of credit before be brave yen kind of credit so kind of credit ka be hu se wiasem ahemfu chiri ye bi de be achi ka onya santifo ni o matem sa na de bia na me ka me se video ba se minim pa se na na osaji ma prempe de second se no nim se nkofo betwa mo ho adi asantifo atem se a ka kroma no ne je bi na kwam persuade ni se ye meka gokos no na se ke nyina ka se ka asantifo na ke nya independent ye tena ba bi nka sa adidi atem ne asantifo fi so mu ye superior mu ye se ka sa bullshit we nyina nka emba because ke sa confederation no na ye maintain ya de na omo nya omo independence on fa omo ade na because tama Goku sumu fighting for independence na Asante land sa Ashanti Kingdom now is already independent. It was independent. Until now, we more prominent Ashanti for be brave, fighting for independence, because independence, yes, our political, British for independence, yes, happen. That's what it is. Nesanka, no such my prepping. Nesanka, or maintaining, independence, said by ya, Kasao, Kofo, sorry, and Ashanti for saying, get baby. A landlocked country, so what, near poor, Uko Niger, Mali, Ouagadougou, Burkina Faso, Omni upon so Omo economic activities ni bibia call because go for German activity any basis be no more. What ya sentiment? Onya santini. Ebia mama no papa bia nya san. What ya santi to the core. Enti no kujina be asme ya santini. Ebia wo boase ye wo na me ya santini so onya santini. Enso so no santini ye titi wo eye obi bia fuma bibia ahye. Go school, papa no mama no nyina bia o masisi adan ho no munya o musika de hwe school ni adade unya chance bi ko tambo chine ne ana se enkran na se baabi takorade baabi a no mo twa ho na mo di asantefo atem why na make am miss me ni America atem da America anya perfect sa country bia no ye perfect but then you perfect cry papa check me krom Ghana yakopon hata sirinim so yakopon kro hata sirinim. And you know, me Trump have been trashy America because America na my America. And you know, me mami you know, I had no free. Oh, mommy had no mommy free. I had a boy, my mommy to me go school, a year nipa near education, and mommy to me jina brofo, and him chilo my dear. And the America I am, and you might be bria, me chrome Ghana to me, yam be that because the opportunities there were American, a bini Ghana, that's for sure. And Tisana, now you Kumasi, Accra, Kumasi, Ashanti region. The Ashanti region were opportunities more than a lot of towns and villages in Ghana. And you go for Muti Ghana, Muti Ashanti region, Ufi saw Mameno Papa Fua, Udi Ashanti Fatim Yadan. And if Ashanti region, a couple baby time, why do you still keep on living in Ashanti region? Now Bashi Ashanti for, Utrashi Ashanti for. Ashanti for, you're perfect, Musu, you're perfect. Asante ni bia nkojina baby so perfect che obia and I say we nipa and I saw you on your sort to that is not the point. Asante for the woman person see and woman person will be show so that's all that is. And until me for bullshit bia my feature ya jetu. So until come on person me say if you are Ashanti hater, why live and make money in Ashanti, man? Me, for example, I will not trash America because that's where I make my money. I won't do it. Think about person one more time. We African Professor One. Subscribe and share with friends and family. And I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.